Yep, it's time to start with the comparison. So we will be seeing about a car called Atto3, so which is right now available in market. So it is launched almost close to 6 months to 7 months back. So I am not exactly sure about the time of the launch. So what is the specialty in this car? It is going to be the first blade technology car which is launched in India on the premium sector. It is going to be an SUV kind of thing, and it is coming with the blade technology. So blade technology is something Tesla is using right now in its cars. So that things we have right now, and BYD is going to be a very big player in electric vehicle, complete electric vehicle front, and they are in pipe to move to the first place when they are competing with Tesla. So that is the vehicle. So that is more about BYD, and this is the vehicle. So in this video, what we're gonna see exactly about things is BYD with 36 lakhs and ZS Exclusive Pro with 28.5 lakhs. Comparatively, which car is worth to drive in India on an economic front, on budget, as well as the things related to the convenience of the customers. So let's see about the battery packs of both these cars. MG-ZSEV-Exclusive Pro is having a battery pack of 50.3 kilowatt and which has a ARI of 461 kilometer. Similarly, Atto3, which is having a battery pack of 60.3 kilowatt and having an ARI range of 521. So what is this ARI range? ARI range is actually defined on basis of the European standards, and for Indian markets still now things are not clear. Like there is a three formats of battery pack we have: 30, 60 and 90. So that is the international standard kilowatt of battery which we have. But in India we don't have 30, 60, 90, whereas in India we have 30 kilowatt, 39.2 kilowatt, 45 kilowatt, which is there. 45 kilowatt was there in MG, and right now it is upgraded to 50 kilowatt, and followed by that we have 60 kilowatt and 70 kilowatt battery pack. 60 kilowatt is right now with the Atto3, and followed by that 70 kilowatt battery is right now with Hyundai Iconic. So these are the things, and very soon we're gonna get a 45 kilowatt upgrade in Kona, and also we're gonna have 60 kilowatt pack in Kona as well. So these are the upcoming cars. So all these cars, why I'm touching is all things related with the premium sector. So why we are going to see here premium sector? Yes, this is going to be a very big boom in the upcoming 3 to 5 years. I will go with one by one. So which car is going to lead this premium sector and which company is going to lead? So we're going to see that one by one, and accordingly, as a retailer, how are we going to get benefit on this? We're going to see about that as well. So now moving on, what is actually there with Atto3 and the ZS Exclusive Pro? Both are the same, but the battery pack is different. Comparatively, what are the features? Almost the latest launch of ZS Exclusive. It is called as ZS Exclusive Pro. The bookings are open beyond 3 days. It is almost matching the specifications of Atto3. Only thing it is not matching is blade technology, and there is a 10 kilowatt difference between both this. So which is worth for money and body build? Exactly, it is ZS Exclusive Pro. So you want to see the vision of a company. A company is launching a vehicle, and a company is doing an upgrade as soon as a competitor is coming in place. So what is the addition which it had from ZS Exclusive to ZS Exclusive Pro? It has added ADAS 2 and adaptive cruise control. So what happened actually here? The cost of this addition is 60,000 difference from its previous version. But when you take it to the off market and when you do it as a OEM, you will get these features not possible with 3 lakhs as well. So comparatively, why this new upgrade is coming? It's all due to Atto3's pressure. Atto3 is a pressure, and MG need to stand back in this market, and they don't want to lose their premium sector. So right now MG-ZSEV is the only premium vehicle which is available in 50 kilowatt on a budget price. Post that we have 60 kilowatt and 70 kilowatt options, but 50 kilowatt and 40 to 50 kilowatt options we have only MG-ZSEV at the moment. Nothing else is there. So, what will be the progress if we have MG-ZSEV is becoming like this? What can be done and what can we expect as in a point of stock market basis? Yes, there is some news which is related to that. So we all know that it is actually a Shanghai motor company, so which is actually having its Shanghai headquarter company, and which is having its what to say mother company presence in China, and the stakeholders are completely the MG Morrison Garage from UK. So why there is a offloading happening in these stocks right now? So they have planned to offload 48% of that company stocks to Indian players. So who are in race? Currently, Jindal Group is in race. So apart from that, who are in race? Yep, obviously our top player Mahindra is here, and Hinduja and JSW Group. So what is going to benefit here? Yes, if this deal is going positive to Mahindra. Remember, if this deal is going positive to Mahindra, then for sure Mahindra's next level things will happen in a very good way. Or else, if this MG acquisition is not being done by Mahindra, mark my words, there will be a big setback to Mahindra like Tata Motors, for sure. Because right now the companies who are in race for EV is Tata, Mahindra, Hyundai and MG. We have other sector, the companies in race for hybrid. It's Maruti, Toyota and Honda. Right now these are the three companies which are in place. So right now the automobile sector is moving to a luxury component. Reason being, we have a very big fight between EV and hybrid. Obviously EV is leading this fight. Reason being, the technology is launched before 5 years, whereas hybrid is launched just in 2023. So we have only 3 vehicles in EV launched so far, and that too we have Maruti, Toyota and Honda. Obviously Maruti is going to lead this thing, as we have so much model lined up. Hydraider and Invicto all are in progress. Obviously Toyota is in progress with Maruti. So what is the take from here? From here 3 to 5 years, Maruti stocks will double for sure. So that is my view on basis of automobile boom. Next, why this boom is happening? Yeah, it's all happening after Corona. People are more secured and people want to live a comfortable life. So if you live one day also, you have to live a comfortable life. So that is the basic thing. So that is where this luxury is coming into play. If MG is getting acquired by Mahindra, the stocks of Mahindra will also get doubled. If not, Mahindra will go for a very big crisis, kind of sales crisis will happen. The company is always safe. Why? It is all because of the failure in the EV launches. A car is launched in Indian market and it is been priced with a discount of 1 lakh rupees within 4 months of launch. So it is a very clear indication that there is a very big setback for the car, especially for XUV 400. Car is not worth. I have made a test drive in that car. Car is not worth to the price what Mahindra is giving at this moment. When compared to Kona, comparatively, it is an analog kind of future, except the digital digital things of Mahindra XUV. So whatever there in Mahindra XUV, only the battery pack, all these things are digital. Rest all are completely analog only. Still they have to digitalize these things. Comparatively, the same pack, 39.3 kilowatt pack, we have Kona, which is actually very good when compared to this XUV 400. The thing is, XUV 400 is right now with 1 lakh discount, whereas this Kona is right now with 2 to 2.25 lakh discount. So think about it, to as a customer, as a premium customer, which one he will be taking? Kind of a elite kind of customer, I am saying. So I have taken a test drive on Kona twice and Mahindra XUV once. So I am not satisfied with the XUV 400's interior, but exterior build quality is very good in Mahindra. So comparatively, Kona interior, exterior both are good, but still the battery pack need to be improved. So that is where Hyundai is going to launch a new vehicle. So comparatively, what is going to happen between Atto3 and MG? Surely MG-ZSEV is going to lead this race for the next 3 years for sure. It is coming with premium things to get added. So when you go to MG India's YouTube, you can able to see that video which is released 9 days before, and the bookings have already taking place, and the price in which MG is offering the luxury cars, it is amazable. It is amaze. Reason being the build quality and the interior features. It's like awesome. So you can see, right, what is happening right now in the market. There are so much benefits for MG-ZSEV right now. The benefits from 75,000 to 2,25,000. So this is where MG is leading this race. Thanks all. Atto3 versus MG-ZS Exclusive Pro. The take here is MG-ZS Exclusive Pro, and on a stock market basis, this is going to help Mahindra for sure. If not, we can see a listing from MG India very soon, as it is in pipeline with the Indian people to get acquisition. So kindly keep in mind to take this stock anytime. If the acquisition is happening with Mahindra, pick Mahindra stocks immediately. Or else, if it is getting acquisition by some other companies like Hinduja or JSW, try to take that stock immediately, as they have direct exposure to this company. So that is the take from this video. And how about BYD-Atto3? We need to wait and see about that company's performance in terms of the luxury premium vehicles. Company is still not offering on a budget basis, so they are slightly away from the budget of what the middle class or higher middle class is available right now. Thanks friends. So take here is, you can start acquiring Maruti Suzuki right now in SIP basis. Reason being, they are going to lead the hybrid race. They are already in pipeline. They are going to lead the hybrid place. Followed by that EV space. Definitely EV premium sector is going to get captured by MG for sure at this moment. And if there is an Indian acquisition, surely that stocks will rise for the next 1 to 2 years. So why I'm saying that there will be a big race, you can check the stock of right now in front of us we have a stock called Electra Green Trek. So Electra Green Trek, what it is doing, it is manufacturing electric buses. So this is the complete business of Electra business. So what it is doing, they are doing the bus manufacturing in tie-up with so they are doing their business in tie-up with BYD. So BYD is providing the OEM for this in related to the battery packs they are giving in their buses. So thereby BYD is getting benefited. So this company is in bus right now. I will show you the auto car inputs for this as well. So we can have a look on this. So right now we are into two-wheeler sector and we are moving on. So premium sector right now, it's a three-wheeler, and again we are moving on. So this is the sector which we are speaking right now in related with the EV. So Tata Motors is leading the race, followed by MG, followed by that Mahindra and Mahindra, followed by that BYD. So here MG is going to hold this place for sure in the premium sector. So Tata Motors is playing for the sector below MG. So it is like below 20 lakh sector, Tata is playing a major role. 20 to 30 lakh sector, MG is playing the major role. And moving on, the new entrant Mahindra and Mahindra is muted. BYD is slightly picking up. Comparatively, Hyundai Motor is slightly away from the race. And moving on with the other things. So other things related to battery, BYD is leading the race here. So that's the reason where Electra is coming into picture. When we go to electric buses, see, Electra Green Tech is leading this race by third position. All this is being supplied by our provider BYD. So go for this commercial vehicle segment. Again, BYD is leading this. That's where they are helping Electra. So let's see the combination sales on all the things like so if we go down, we have two-wheeler, followed by that we have this is completely two-wheelers. Okay, I've seen this before I start my video. Let me show it again to you. Tata Motors is leading the sector in commercial vehicle with 33%, followed by that BYD is with 18%. So that's what I'm trying to do here. So you can see this is for the premium sector. Right now Tata Motor is having 77% and MG Motor is right now 8% and MM is right now in check-ins. Followed by that, see, no, it's the passenger vehicles. Let's see, we will have our BYD here as well. Let's see. Okay. So I have found it somewhere, but not able to get it at this moment. So I'll try to share later. So thanks friends. Thanks for watching this video. So keep in track Mahindra, Tata Motors, sorry, not Tata Motors, Maruti stocks, Mahindra stocks and Electra, as well as keep in track of any company which is getting acquisition of MG. So we have already 3 companies in pipeline. So one is Jindal. The next 3 players right now is Mahindra, Hinduja and JSW Group. So deal is still in place. So it is like it is actively going for the past 1 month. Let's see who is winning this race, and as a stock benefiter what we can do. So from now I am planning to take on a SIP basis our evergreen star Mahindra, sorry, Tata, not Maruti, because of the hybrid vehicle launches. And one important thing, when we are going out, when we are going to see a car repeatedly on our trips, for example, you are going out for a trip of 100 kilometers or 30 kilometers or somewhere in the city, try to watch which car is more available in the road and try to check whether that stock is available in the market. In case that stock is available, try to take that stock on a SIP basis or take it for a minimum count. Check the next time, in the next 1 year or 2 year, when you are going out, the same vehicles are getting repeated or getting less. In case of it is getting repeated, acquire more stocks on that company. If it is not getting repeated, try to sell off your stocks and come out. That is what the logic you have to follow as a stock market expert in related with the automobile sector as a blind person. So fundamentals, technicals, all these things will be analyzed by a person called HNI and a person called a professional investor or professional planners, all these things. As a novice investor, we can just see in our eyes and we can act to it. Thanks friends, thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.